Now we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, as you can see, after this move, we get in correction. And even if we refer to our analysis, when the price was at this top, which around 11.5, we mentioned whoever in the trade from the having entry above the top, they should take out the trade exactly when the price was within this move. And there was the first opportunity, second, and three times they had the opportunity to take out the trade because we mentioned this one can tend to a correction. Now we have this correction. We want to see whether this one can do a deeper correction for one move up. That's when we look for buy, or this is the start of this down move and this one can tend to a correction for price to drop. But right now I don't think this is the enough to look for buy. Okay, well then in this case we start with the daily chart. We see what we have based on higher time frame. Okay, and the only thing is we will, as based on daily chart, we can see this one made this one tend to a one more drop. Okay, based on higher time frame. Okay, and if we move to uh forward chart, we have nothing's different. The only things we have this correction. Okay, and what I want to see right now, whether this is a correction for buy or not. Okay, but the way it's moving is really corrective. It doesn't give us really good pattern to look for trade. Okay, the only thing is if we move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart, if we want to look for buy, what I prefer, if I want to look for this, I prefer the price to drop, break this low, any reversal with a sharp move and flag, we take it, and when the breakout of this, then we start to manage it. But if the price reverse from here, we cannot buy. And the only things we wait for the breakout, any flag above the top. Okay, that's why the best I mentioned if this one tend to a bigger, deeper correction. All right, and even if you want to look for sell, I think if the price drop flag, then at that times we don't need to look for buy. We get the sell. Okay, but mostly when we look at this correction, we can expect for one move up, at least to break the top. Okay, but if the price reverse from here, cannot get a good trade. The only times you can get a better trade, this one become a deeper correction. All right, and we cannot put this one in relative to this because the way is moving. And one more things we may expect, this one turn to a first move, this one is to a correction, and this one can drop one more. That's why if you want to sell, whether this one turn to a, and this one continue up move as a corrective, for sure we can sell it. Or the best things, if this one break the top, then any drop from there we can take it. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Even the price can drop from here, you need to get the flag for continuation. But be careful about this one. Get the flag, drop, retest this one, reverse. Because at that times you will have this, which expanding. Because trading this kind of the expanding is not easy. It's not easy even to predict, because if the price come here, we cannot predict which direction we are going. Even right now, we don't have the clear picture. The only thing is we have to wait to see how this correction can form. Because right now, we don't have trade setup. If this one turn to a bigger correction, we can confirm for the next move. By the way, we don't buy right now or sell, we just wait. And if I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.